Hey coffee lovers! Today, I'm going to take you on a flavor-packed journey to master the art of making an Orange Doppio. This is not your average cup of joe. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, grab a fresh orange. We're going to zest it using a grater. Make sure you're only getting the outer peel, not the bitter white pith. Set the zest aside for later. Next, let's prep our coffee. For a doppio, you'll need a double shot of espresso. Grind your favorite espresso beans to a fine consistency. I recommend something medium to dark roast for a richer flavor. Load the grounds into your portafilter and tamp them evenly. Smooth and consistent pressure is key here. Now, lock the portafilter into your espresso machine and start the extraction. Listen to the machine as it works its magic. That sound is pure bliss. You should see a rich golden creamer forming on top. That's how you know you've done it right. While the espresso is still hot, add your orange zest directly into the cup. Give it a quick stir to infuse those citrus oils. The aroma is just heavenly. Now, for a touch of sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey. Stir it again until everything's well blended. And there you have it, your very own Orange Doppio. Take a moment to savor the aroma before taking that first sip. The bright citrus notes combined with the bold espresso create a truly unique experience. So, next time you're looking to elevate your coffee game, remember this recipe. Experiment with different oranges and even try adding a pinch of cinnamon for a twist. Thanks for joining me on this coffee adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coffee tips and tricks. Happy brewing!